Okay, so I am a fan of glasses, right? Basically, the first glasses video I watched was the one where he built the keyboard with KSI, and that was around when I started growing a lot of interest in mechanical keyboards and switches and stuff like that. So coming across glasses early on, I was just what's that word? I don't know, intrigued. The way he makes videos about keyboards, entertaining. You just enjoy it, no matter how hard you try not to.
As hell, get off that nigga dick, bro. What is you doing?
You have to enjoy a glasses video about keyboards. So backstory aside, a couple of weeks ago or about a month ago, he made a video whereby he said he teamed up with Cherry MX to, make his own switches. And as soon as I saw that, you just know, being a glasses fanboy, immediately I went to ShareShop and it took about a couple of weeks and I eventually got the switches. Here, I think I bought about 3 packs because my keyboard is about 80 keys, I'm not sure. So I have the Glasses X Cherry MX purple switches right here, and I'm like, I'm going to make a video of me cleaning my keyboard because I use the Epomaker TH80 Pro. So I'm just going to make a process video where I'm just pulling all this out, for the first time properly and cleaning the insides and changing the switches. Currently the switches are the Gateron Pro Black, as you can hear. I don't know, bro. I don't know how they do keyboard ASMR. That was so weird. So let's just get into this video. So I have it out now. I know you might not be able to see, but this thing is dirty, bro. I've never cleaned it before, so I'm just going to quickly dust it through, then come and start pulling these guys out. So yeah, it's not entirely clean, but I'm just going to start pulling out the rest so it will allow me to clean it properly. So yeah. You're telling me this is what glasses goes through every time he's modding or wants to do something to a keyboard? Bro, I'm so tired already, man. Nah, you guys need to give this man his flowers, bro. This is not easy at all. The last one. Round 2 of cleaning. Okay, so I done clean the insides. It's now time for me to use the glasses switches, bro. Like, bro, this looks nice. So this is what a switch looks like, right? Yeah, and this is what it sounds like. It almost feels like my Gateron Pro Blacks, but I can feel the like as I go down. So yeah, I'm going to be installing them now. Bro, my shoulder hurts, bro. Voila, I'm done, bro. Like, bro, I actually missed 2. Yeah, I emptied 2, as you can see. I still have a couple left. Purple is so nice, bro. Another quick sound test before I put the keycaps on. Really nice. Let me now start fixing my keycaps back in. Now for the last one. Wow, okay. So sound test. I don't know why I didn't do this first. My name is Olamide Diyomade, and I love to make cool videos. I know I butchered this, but yeah, this is just a little test. Yeah. So that's practically it. But yeah, I'll let you know my thoughts. RGB is gone, man. Oh my god. If there is a version where he provides translucent switches in the future, I'll 100% get them and change the black ones to the translucent ones so I can have my RGB back. But other than that, yeah, this is my first time ever taking out switches, keycaps, and cleaning my keyboard and then putting new switches in. So I would say this is the third type of switch I'm ever using. The first one I used with blue switches, then what's it called? Gateron Pro Blacks, and then the Glasses X Cherry MX purple switches. So, and for some weird reason, I don't know, I also decided that once I change the switches, I'm going to try my best to get a Fortnite win in builds using Glasses switches. I don't know, bro. But yeah, just stay tuned. Let's round this video off. My ping is good. I feel delayed. There's more delay today. Oh my god, man. I'm so shit right now, man. Alright, let's get ready. Go. There's somebody else here that's flip. This is mad weird right now. Rubbish. It's looking like crap. It's like, no, you can't do this to me. Shit, there's no way I'm selling. I actually. Are you? Dead. I'm just dead. I think at this point I'll just call it a night. I tried. After numerous tries and almost 4 hours of streaming, because I was actually doing this on the stream, one of my viewers that had been there watching me for about 3 hours eventually convinced me to let us play duos, and he had better ping than me. So I was like, you know what, let's just do it at this point, because I don't want to. I had to sleep as I had so much work up ahead. So yeah, we eventually played the match. I turned it on. Why is this guy is nice. Somebody's here, actual player. One shot. Good. Fuck out of here, but it's down, it's back. Yeah, I'm pushing them. Yeah.
I know on this
One of them is not, so just one there left.
Cracked? Oh my god, this guy just shot me behind the pig. You got him, nice. Well, that's L5, that's crazy. Yeah. Oh, my bullet just blanked. One down. Nice. Yeah. I don't know if I did or I did not get the win, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And so my name is Olamide Madi. I'm a video editor, visual effects artist and 3D artist from Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for watching. Peace.